Today we'll learn how to use Chatgpt for resume writing. If you're trying to apply to a job and you want to improve or write your resume, let me show you how you can take the help of Chatgpt. First of all, what you can do is provide Chatgpt with all of your information, such as your skills and work experience. So for example, you can add in this prompt, and underneath this prompt, you can attach your skills and experience so that ChatGPT can create a summary of your resume or the entire resume all at once as well. So once you add in this prompt, attach your skills and experience as well, and then hit enter. This way, depending upon your skills and experience, ChatGPT will create a professional summary that you can add into your CV or your resume. Secondly, you can also generate specific sections. So for example, if you already generated a summary section, you can now generate other sections such as achievements. If you generate sections and ask ChatGPT to generate in multiple sections, it will provide a much better answer. Now, using this method, once you drafted an entire resume, you can also use it to improve the wording. So if you want to improve the wording of your entire resume, you can add in the prompt like this, which will add in some impactful words, and it will also be easier for the employer to take a look at your resume. So that was a video about the way that you use ChatGPT for resume writing. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.